Does AI have to be so expensive? Deepseek in China proved the contrary, and there was a 1 trillion market wipeout in the US, with Nvidia being the biggest loser. Welcome to Spot the Market, our weekly analysis of financial markets up to the week of the 31st of January. So the big news for the week was a Chinese startup called Deepseek, which implemented an open architecture and at a fraction of a cost. And this created massive ripples throughout the market. In the US, the Dow was up by 0.27%, but the S&P 500 was down by 1%, and the Nasdaq Composite lost 1.6%. The Federal Reserve also paused rate cuts on policies uncertainties. Winner loser for the week, silver, IBEX, and Bovesca were the biggest winner for the week, and we had natural gas, information technology, energy, the big loser for the week. If we look at the first month of the year is gone, year to date, gold still remains in first position, up by 7.4%, followed by European stocks, Stock 600, 6.3%, and the FTSE 100. Loser continues to be Shanghai, Treasury bond, and the Nikkei year to date is also down. If we look at the sectors, we see that we have this year some rotation. So global communication services, healthcare, and financial year to date are the top three performing sectors, whereas global tech, consumer staples, and real estate are the top three laggards. So there is clearly a stock rotation. Looking at stocks, General Motors was down by 9%. They posted a quarterly loss, and they're clearly impacted by the tariffs on Mexico and Canada. Trump and Media Technology announced that it's going into finance with finance venture called Truth AI into cryptocurrency, was up by almost 7%. If we look at Starbucks, the stock is up over 8%. With quarterly profit and revenues that coming in ahead of expectation. UPS down 14%. They are losing a lot of business from its biggest customer, which is Amazon. Nvidia, the biggest victim following the Deepseek, stock down by 17%, 500 billion market cap wipeout. Let's remember they had a phenomenal raise. So now we will start analyzing what future trends in AI and costs are. And IBM machine, actually, International Business Machine, IBM, up by 13%, as an investor said that their AI strategy and quarterly earnings were positive, and it seems to be closer to the open architecture of Deepseek. This week, on Monday, the Institute for Supply Management releases both its manufacturing and services PMI for January. On Tuesday, we'll have roughly 120 S&P companies reporting earnings, and on Friday, we have the jobs report. Keep following the Academy on our social media, and keep following and joining our internship program. You can find it in our website. All the best from me. Take care. We're live in Abu Dhabi. All the best.